大家好. Today we are going to learn how to answer what would you like to eat for dinner in Mandarin. Let's get started. The first word we need to know is 饭. 饭. 饭 means meal or rice. So when we talk about dinner, 晚饭. 晚饭. 晚 means night, 晚上. So dinner, 晚饭. And how about breakfast? 早饭. 早 means morning, 早上. So breakfast, 早饭. And lunch, 午饭. 午 means noon, 中午. Lunch, 午饭. And let's see how to answer this question. 你晚饭想吃什么? 你晚饭想吃什么? We can use this structure to answer. 我想吃 plus object. So, how about Chinese food? 中国菜. 菜 means cuisine. So we can add a country name or a place name in front of 菜. Chinese food, 中国菜. So the full sentence, 我想吃中国菜. How about Taiwanese cuisine? 我想吃台湾菜. How about Shanghainese cuisine? 我想吃上海菜. And Indian food? 我想吃印度菜. How to talk about famous delicious food in Mandarin? Let's see. 好吃 means delicious. 好吃. Chinese food is delicious. 中国菜很好吃. 好吃的中国菜 delicious Chinese food 有什么? 酸菜鱼还有什么? 狮子头还有狮子头. 好吃的日本菜有什么? 日本菜 Japanese food 有寿司还有什么? 拉面. And 好吃的意大利菜太多了 too many 太多了. 有什么? 有炖饭炖饭还有披萨还有意大利面意大利面. Now here's two questions for you. 你喜欢吃什么菜? 你今天晚饭想吃什么? I will see you next time. 再见。